Hey guys, today we are in Skoda Rapid with a basic radio system. It's called BLUES, I believe. And today I'm going to show you how to enter a couple hidden features, hidden menus in this unit. So first of all, if you press and hold the setup button for about 5 seconds, you will go into the part number menu, so you can check what's the part number of this unit. You don't need to remove it to check this part number. You can also check the hardware revision and software version that this unit is currently running. If you press and hold the setup button for about 10 seconds, you will go into radio tuner test mode. So let's keep holding the button, even though there's one hidden menu over here already. And we are in the second hidden menu. You can see the current radio frequency, the RDS text over here, and some information from the antenna system. We can switch right. We can see what's the radio tuner is doing in the background, because the radio tuner is constantly looking for better frequencies with better signal quality of the same radio station, so we can switch to a regional radio station. And the third one is text menu, and I believe this is just a software revision over here as well. And if we press and hold the sound button for about, again, 10 seconds, we will go into yet another hidden menu, and let's check what's over there. And we also have some information about the tuner, the radio tuner over here, so you can see the frequency, and I'm not sure what's those other information over here. And now let's press extras, and again for about 10 seconds, and after those 10 seconds we will see option to enable UART communication in the unit. So by default it's off. You can set it to receiver or system. I believe this is just for diagnostic communication with a diagnostic tool connected behind this unit. If you have of course a diagnostic interface, something that connects over UART. And that's pretty much it. This is what I found over here. And what else? Nothing left. Oh, you can press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds to, I believe, hard turn off the unit. So after 10 seconds or so, the screen will go back, and with a single press you can turn the unit back on. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.